My name's Camilla, and I've developed these beautiful wooden twist and turn tops for the TTS developed range. These set of 3 tactile, beautiful wooden spinning tops are perfect for supporting children with their physical development and their hand-eye coordination skills as they spin these tops. Most spinning tops that we have seen just spin. They're great for children's physical development, but that's really where it ends. These fantastic tops, you can deconstruct them, children can line them up, they can support with mathematical understanding, you can use matching games for them. You might decide to take the children on a colour hunt around the setting and get them to be encouraged to use different types of tonal vocabulary. These can be brought into your loose parts in construction play. It's a really versatile, open-ended piece. Working with resources for babies and toddlers, we have to think really carefully about how to keep them safe. We think about the paints we use, the different types of wood we use, and we think about the longevity of these pieces. We don't want harmful toxins around young babies who are going to be putting things in their mouth. We don't want them to have splinters if they drop it on the floor. We want them to stay safe. So that's really at the heart of what we try to do when we're developing our resources. This is a really timeless piece, these spinning tops. It's going to really support practitioners in encouraging children to have that independent play where they can work on their physical skills, they can work on their mathematical skills. Babies and toddlers can work on their schematic behaviours, and it's all about giving the choice to the children.